Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to install this Sansi light. And the reason that I got this one is because there's not many that fit up into the soffits as you see up here. So this bottom part of your roof, that's the soffit. And in my particular case, that's where I got this terminal mounted up here. And therefore, that's why I got this guy. Now it's already prepared. I got the gasket on there and I got this long screw right there already installed. Now let's do the rest. Make sure to turn off your electricity first. So it comes with this mounting bracket with the ground screw right there. So we're going to mount this with two screws. It comes with two Phillips screws, and that's the first step. So let's do that right away. All right, and then the directions say, these are not live wires, by the way, because I have the breaker disconnected in the basement at the breaker box. So the directions say to wrap this guy around. This is grounded anyway because this is attached to the inside of the terminal, which is grounded, but we're just going to make sure. Okay, so now everything is grounded, and now we just have to connect the light. All right, so we're just going to connect the wires. Obviously, the green goes to the ground, black goes to black. These are pre-soldered, by the way, the wires that come with this light. So we're almost done already. White to white. Make sure they're twisted on there really good so that the wire nuts don't let loose. And then you stuff them up in there. And what you probably should do is make sure that the sensor here is oriented where there's going to be motion, because you can't change that direction all that much later. I mean a bit, but make sure it's pointed where you want it to go. Okay, now we just have to screw it in all the way. And what's nice is it comes with this gasket at the top so that it's nice and sealed, and then you can just adjust the lights as you want. Okay, let's turn it back on and test it out. Okay, so anyway, this guy's got different modes. It's got an auto mode, it's got an on-time mode, and a dusk to dawn mode, which is what I got set on right now. And because it is sunny, it's not on right now, but it's also got a test mode. So we're gonna put on the test mode, and looky there, it's on. Oh, very nice. Oh, great success. So then with this mode, it's going to stay on for 10 seconds and then turn off, which is very nice, because this silly thing that I used to have has got a sensor right there, but this thing would stay on for until like 2 hours after the sun came up. So I'm glad to get rid of this and instead have this guy up here, which is going to work way better. Oh, and by the way, on the bottom side of the control unit, it does have some settings too, so you can set the time between 1 and 5 minutes. I'm going to set it to 5, so that's if you have it switched on. And I'm going to put the lux, so the amount of intensity, I'm just going to put that in the middle. And then the range, it's set to max right now, so it detects from pretty far away. I'll probably just set that around 3/4 there. But anyhow, the time will be good if you just have it set up for time. But as I mentioned, I got mine set from dusk to dawn. Thanks so much for watching the video. If it was helpful, hit the helpful button down below. And until next time, wish y'all a good day. Bye now.